everybody, welcome back. And today, no radio, but I've got a little bit of test equipment to look at. So you can see, nice, sort of nice leather case. Certainly seen a lot of work. Some bird marks in there as well. Could have been a cigarette left there. Who knows? Who knows? And I think, you know, heavy duty stuff. And let's have a look at it. And there it is. And it's a volt and a megometer, so voltage and resistance. Voltage measure up to 80 volts, megohms from 0 to infinity. Cool, cool. And where did this come from? Well, get that cover open again just a second. Show you. I think you can read it. There we go. The PMG, serial number 399-20. And the PMG in Australia was the Postmaster General's Department, and created back in 1901, and it looked after postal and telegraph services, and it stayed in existence up until the 1st of July 1975, when the PMG was split into two departments, the Australian Postal Commission and the Australian Telecommunications Commission, or just as got known, Telecom Australia. And Telecom was the national carrier for all telegraph telephone services. Not today though, we've got competition that was introduced, I think late 80s, early 90s, somewhere around there, not sure. But so anyway, we can date this, at least I know it's prior. 1st of July 1975, and could be late 60s, early 70s, I don't know. Seen a bit of wear and tear on it. As you can see, it's been dropped, broken there. That's okay. I'm hoping it still works. And we've got some instructions. And our telephone text would use this. Let me see. Volt scale. A working automatic exchange pair has 50 volts between the conductor legs. To test for a foreign battery, remove the exchange battery by opening both legs of a pair. Okay. Switch to volts, connect the red lead to earth, connect the black lead to the A leg, then to the B leg, and the voltage reading will indicate the amount of foreign battery on either leg. Okay. And megohm scale, 1 meg is 1,000,000 ohms. A good pair of wires should have greater than 1 meg insulation resistance between the legs. Also for each leg to earth, blah 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 blah. Battery test. Test the battery and the set, short the leads together, and switch to megohms and check that the reading is in the battery OK range. Well, I'll tell you what, haven't played with it yet, but I notice here it says blah 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 negative, there it is there, and the positive goes to earth. Anyway, something to do with telephone wires and exchanges. But let's switch that to megohm and let's see if we get any. Oh yeah, I'm getting some deflection. So the battery's got a little bit of power in there. Cool. All right, let's open up this sucker, have a look inside of it, and see if we can just replace the batteries. Okay, just give me a second, I'll get a screwdriver. Okay, so, battery, thank you. I don't think, this would have been pretty good technical equipment back in the day. Telstra weren't known to buy things on the cheap. As it was, I worked for Telstra for 24 years, not as a technician, I was one of the managers there, but I knew a lot of techs, and they're good guys, most of them anyway. These are batteries. What have we got? Ever-ready 15 volt batteries. So, two of them, needs 30 volts. Cool. Let's get that out. I don't think they make these anymore, as you can see. Anyway, out you come. And 30 volts, well, easy enough. Got the old FIT power supply there. So I'll just get some leads and dial up close enough to 30 volts on that, and we'll connect it to the tester here, the meter, and we'll see how well it works, because, you know, I think it looks like it does work. Give me a second. Okay, I've connected up the power supply, and I've got 28 volts. So let's get rid of that. Don't need you. And let's put our positive here, negative there. Right, and where's my other leads? Should have left them in there. Alright, battery test. Click it to megohms. Let's see what happens. Battery's okay. Very cool. Let's voltage. Okay. Let's see what the battery's got. Well, that one's got 11 volts in it. Wow. Cool. And the other battery has got bugger all. I don't know, maybe 1 volt? No, not even that. Anyway, well that works. I know. Duh. What am I doing? Had it on megohms. Okay. I've got it wrong way around. Positive to positive. There we go. 1 to 2.5 volts on that. And this one. Let's get the leads around the right way. And bugger all. 0.5 volt or whatever. Leads in? Yeah, well, they're in as much as they can be. Okay, but it does work. It does work. Cool. I'll get a resistor, and we'll just measure some. We'll just do a measurement on one of those. All right, here we go. Here's a 510K. I'm on megohms. Cool. What are you telling me? 500 and... Oh, it tells me 520 or thereabouts. So it's just over half a meg, so that's correct. And this one, that should be a meg. Let's see what we get. And we're just over a meg. Okay. So let's use our super duper digital multimeter and see what that gives us. Well, it gives me 1 meg exactly. What a good resistor. And a 510K reads out at 514. Not bad, not bad. I mean, this didn't need to be entirely accurate. I guess as long as the tech got, you know, roughly 50 volts out of his pair of wires and got high resistance on megohms, he'd be laughing. He'd get his job done. Well, that's it. Yeah, this wouldn't be a long video. It was either going to work or it wasn't. Am I going to go out and buy $15 volt batteries? Well, I suppose you can get them, I'm guessing. To be honest, no, I'm not going to go buy 15 volt batteries. Who knows what they'd cost? Gee. And I mean, it's a nice bit of old tech to have. It is, but you just can't compare them to these things. Oh, God. Anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you because I picked this up and I just thought it'd be interesting. So you guys are old or ex telecom techs or PMG techs for that matter. You'd know you'd know this thing for sure. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot. I guess this could just go on by my shelf somewhere and I'll look at it from occasion. But anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. I'll be back real soon. Bye.